Social media interactions become interesting only when it is two-way. You must get a fair chance to interact with the person you follow or the person whose videos you watch. I have started this new initiative, Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything, AMA in short, through which all of you can stay in touch, ask me questions you like to ask, clear your doubts on personal finance, learn more about Milestones to Wealth and about our PMS products, and stay connected. So, this brings us closer. I am able to be closer to you, to help you in whatever way I can. You feel closer by asking whatever you wish to, and we grow together, helping each other along the way. So fill in this form and stay connected through Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you on the topic de-risking your mutual fund portfolio. The more I see portfolios of investors who do their mutual fund investing by themselves, one thing strikes me. They are definitely taking more risks in their portfolio than they ought to. Also, they think that they must only be investing in high risk categories amongst equity mutual funds. Third, they strongly believe that there is no opportunity to make returns in large cap mutual funds. Fourthly, they think that they should load their portfolios with small cap mutual funds. Lastly, they don't want to invest in liquid funds and keep any cash idle. These are the common attributes or traits that I see among a lot of retail investors. Most of them are probably seeing their first market cycle, the first bull cycle, or they are into their second bull market. In the first bull market, they traveled with large caps. This time, they are traveling with small caps. What people need to recognize is that when your portfolio is doing extremely well, you need not really bet the house to make incremental returns. Your primary responsibility is to protect your profits, to de-risk your portfolio a bit and progressively reduce the risk in your portfolio. Now, this de-risking is not a one-time exercise. It's a continuous exercise. First, you sell the riskiest part of your portfolio. Sell at least a part of the riskiest part. You don't have to sell the whole of the riskiest part. Take that cash and keep it aside. If you still want to participate in equity, put that in the large cap category. Then after a while, do more de-risking. As you de-risk in 3 or 4 stages, you would have sold a good part of your portfolio, something between 20 and 30%, and take that money to cash. Or you would have invested a part of that money in large cap. Essentially, you would either have powder dry to invest when the market falls, or you would have moved within the equity universe money from a high risk part to a moderate risk part. So if there is a correction, you would be better placed to invest again into equity wherever you want to, or if a correction happens, your hit will be more measured, it will be contained. There is a reason for every investor to do this, especially the DIY investor, because if you fail to capture profits like this, which have literally come out of the blue against all odds when you least expected it, then you would travel with regret for a very, very long time. I know people who fail to sell in one bull market talk about it till the next bull market because they didn't participate in the next bull market also, because this regret is something that eats their head. Friends, this is a time for you to make the most out of your success and de-risk your portfolio.